90% of the patients who come to me in the clinic either have UTI or they had UTI, and mostly they have used many antibiotics like Cipro for it, and they themselves know they must have developed resistance to it, judging by the number of times they have used it. So today I'll share with you a completely herbal recipe to treat UTI. Assalamu alaikum wonderful people. I'm Dr. Asma and the tree that I'm talking about for the treatment of UTI is called Butea Monosperma. It is also called Palash in Hindi and Kesu in Urdu. It is also known by its very famous name, Flame of the Forest, just because the flowers are orange like my dress, and they are orangish reddish with a very strong hue, and these flowers they are also used to make orange color. You can make a natural dye out of it also. Anyway, this tree, although it does not produce any fruit or vegetable, anything eatable, and I mean the flowers also are not fragrant, but this tree has a lot of medicinal benefits.
Especially regarding UTI, much research has been done and it has been found that it is very beneficial for treating UTI. Other than that, it has lots of other medical benefits, like it is good for kidneys, for skin, for blood pressure and sugar control. But today we will be discussing only the effect of Butea Monosperma on UTI and how to use it for UTI. I saw trees of Butea Monosperma in my college days. I am a graduate of King Edward Medical University, and there are a lot of these trees, palash trees, in our college. But little did I know the benefits of these flowers. These I found out only after studying naturopathy. And if you are interested in such content in which we treat or prevent our diseases using herbs and food, do subscribe to our channel, because this is the kind of content we share with our subscribers. Because as a medical doctor, I am well familiar with the circle of antibiotics that UTI patients follow. What happens is doctors prescribes them some antibiotics, and these antibiotics wipe away all the bad bacteria as well as the good bacteria. Now the patients are susceptible to bacterial, in addition to bacterial infection, they are susceptible to fungal infection and bacterial vaginosis also. So if you have subscribed to our channel and shared this video with all your friends that are taking antibiotics for the UTI, let's go to our pharmacy, aka our kitchen. So in our kitchen, we'll first put about 5 liters of water to boil. If you cover this pot, the water will boil faster. In the meanwhile, we'll take a weighing scale and we will weigh out our potash alum, or also called phatkari. You can easily find it in any grocer's shop. If not, I'll attach a link to the Raz online shop. You can buy it from there also. We need about 15 grams of this alum. And this alum is basically the oldest antibiotic known to human beings. If you put it in your mouth, your teeth will start sparkling. If you put it on your skin, on your face will start sparkling. If you put a pinch of it to your bucket of dirty water, it will get cleared immediately. So alum is very potent natural antibiotic used since long. Anyway, in addition to alum, we need about a handful of tesu flowers. These are the dried tesu flowers. I'll attach a link to the Raz on how to get these tesu flowers. You don't have to weigh it, but I put it on my weighing scale and it came out about 16 grams. Anyway, once you are done weighing, your water will have started boiling. Now in your boiling pot of water, just add the tesu flowers and then add the alum, and then cover it and switch off your stove. So basically what we have done is we have prepared an aqueous extract of Butea Monosperma by steeping a tea. Now we will let it cool down so that it is no longer very hot to touch, and we will take our Yoni Bath. This thing is called a Yoni Bath. You can take any normal bucket also, but I'll show you in a while why this Yoni Bath is more beneficial than any bucket that you can take. In your Yoni Bath, add your steeped tea, and you can see once it fills up, you have to sit in it for about 15 to 20 minutes. You can sit in any normal bucket, but if you take this Yoni Bath, the benefit is there is a pump in the Yoni Bath, and I'll show you how this pump works once the Yoni Bath fills. And the thing is, this tea is not only good for UTI, it is also good for vaginal toning and tightening. So once your Yoni Bath fills, now you can press the pump and you can see it is very easy for the tea to reach the specific area. So that's why I think this Yoni Bath is a much more practical way of treating your UTI by this method. For pregnant ladies, however, I would suggest to take it under the guidance of your doctor. Anyway, you have to take this bath twice a week for 2 weeks and you will see your UTI disappear. I have attached all the links to all the things that I have mentioned in this video in the description box below. Do use them and let me know in the comment section below if this method worked for you or not. Take care till we meet next time. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.